Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we still connect with related rates. Okay, and then we continue with example 2b, conical shape using implicit differentiation. The question is, you have an ice cream cone on a hot summer day and it's beginning to melt. Your cone has a 6 cm diameter and a height 9 cm. Now, the ice cream is slowly dripping out the bottom of the cone at a rate of 2 cm³ per min. How fast is the height dropping when it is at 3 cm? Right? Alright, now we look at the solution. Before that, we can divide two columns, okay? Question and solution. Okay, first we write question in terms of mathematical expression. Right? Under question, step 1, we need to draw an appropriate diagram and label the quantities relevant to the problem. Right? So this is our diagram. This is ice cream cone. Right? From the given question, we have 6 cm diameter. So we write radius equals to 3 cm because radius equals to diameter over 2. Alright? And the height of a cone is 9 cm. Right? And then step 2, put a suitable variable based on the given unit. From the given unit here, we have cm³ per min. Okay, cm³ here means about volume. Okay, and over min here is about time. Okay, so we can write dv over dt. Okay, so dv over dt here is 2 cm³ per min. But the word used here is dripping out. Okay, means that the volume will decrease. So we must put negative sign here. Alright? And then step 3, write the information into mathematical expression. Right? The question is asking about how fast is the height. Okay? How fast means about time. Height means h. Okay? So we can write dh over dt equals to question mark. Okay? From the word how. Okay? And when h equals to 3 cm. Alright? So the symbol used here is dh over dt. Right? Now we start how to solve. Alright? Okay, we continue with step 4. From step 3 here, we continue with step 4. Write an appropriate formula based on the given shape. Okay? The word used here is cone. Okay? And we have information about volume. Right? So, an appropriate formula here is volume of cone. Okay? Which is equals to 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Right? Okay. To easily differentiate, we can write in terms of variable h or variable r only. Okay? But the question asking about dh over dt means that we want variable h. We don't want variable r. Means that we must substitute r in terms of variable h. Okay, how to eliminate r and we replace by variable h? Okay, from here. Right? We have r equals to 3 cm and we have h equals to 9 cm. Alright? So we use ratio, okay, r over h equals to 3 over 9. Okay? How we get this? Okay? If we write r in numerator, we need to write 3 in numerator because 3 is the value of r. Okay? Alright, if we write h in numerator, we need to write 9 in numerator because 9 is the value of h. Alright? Okay, after that, we write r as a subject. So, r equals to h over 3 because we want variable h. Okay, so we need to eliminate whatever R, and then we write R as a subject, right? Actually, we can write H as a subject. If we write H as a subject, we have H equals to 3R. Okay, if the question asking about dr over dh, means we need to write H as a subject because we want whatever R. Alright, but in this case, we write R as a subject because we want whatever H, because the question asking about dH over dt. Alright. Alright, and after that, we substitute H over 3 into whatever R here. So we get this. Alright. We substitute R equals to H over 3. We substitute here. And then we simplify. Okay. So we have volume equals to pi over 7 H cubed. So now we have volume in terms of whatever H only. Okay. Before we substitute R equals to H over 3, we have volume of cone in terms of whatever R and whatever H. Okay. But after we substitute R equals to H over 3, we have volume in terms of whatever H only. So from this formula, it's easy to differentiate. But from volume of cone in terms of whatever R and H, okay, we have two multiplication of variables, so we need to differentiate using product rule. Okay, when we write in terms of variable H only, so we no need to use product rule to differentiate. Alright. Alright, after that, we continue with step 4. Write an appropriate formula based on the given shape. Okay. An appropriate formula here is volume of cone. Right. And from previous slide, okay, we have volume equals to pi over 27 H cubed. Okay. We write V in terms of variable H only because we want dH over dt. Alright. And then step 5, differentiate both sides implicitly with respect to time. If you want to differentiate implicitly. Alright. So after we differentiate, we have dv over dt equals to, and then we still put constant pi over 27, and we differentiate h cubed using power rule. So we have 3h squared. And after that, at the back, we must write dh over dt because we differentiate with respect to t. Alright. If we differentiate with respect to h, so at the back is dh over dh, which is equals to 1 and no need to write. Alright. But now we differentiate with respect to t. That's why we must put dh over dt at the back. Alright. And then we can simplify 3 and 27 here. So we got 9 over 9. Okay. So after we simplify, we have dv over dt equals to pi over 9 h squared dh over dt. Right? And after that, we replace the given value into the appropriate variable. Alright? We replace dv over dt equals to -2 from here. And we replace h equals to 3 from here. Right? And after that, we can simplify. 3 squared is 9. And then over 9 here, so we can simplify. So the final step is solve for the wanted rate of change and put a suitable unit for the final answer. Alright. So we write dH over dt as a subject because we want to find dH over dt. And then after we simplify, we have equals to -2 over pi here. And then we put a suitable unit. Okay. H here is cm. Right. And then over time here means over min. Okay. Because the given question is in minutes. Alright. And after that, we can write the height of the ice cream cone dropping at a rate of 2 over pi cm per min. No need to write negative sign because dropping here means negative. Alright? Coming up next, related rate cylinder problem. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.